una máquina ahí atrás, yo creo que está enchufado.
As we prepare for this game, there's some things tactically that we've been looking at. I've looked at some things in terms of their attacking threats. As a group, of course, there's only so much you can focus on the opponent, before you play the game. And I think the most important thing for us is making sure that we're confident in what we're doing as a unit. And we know that this is going to be a tough game. We're playing, of course, away from home, and there's a lot of really good players on their side of the field. So it'll be a challenge, but I think that's what preseason's for, is to challenge ourselves. And of course, the results are going to be the results. But I think as long as we continue to move in the right direction in terms of our style of play, of course, scoring goals, not getting scored on, then it should be a pretty exciting game.